Hi everyone. So today we are going to understand Python data types. There are many Python data types grouped into 7 to 8 categories and totally 13 to 14 data types. So we see one by one. The first one is numeric data type. Numeric types. Those are integer int. Integer int. The second one is float under numeric data type. Decimal points. Third one is complex number. Complex number value contains both number and j. Complex number. For example, integer is examples are 0 minus 100 or minus 2 plus 100 plus 5000, and it is from minus infinity to plus infinity, infinity to plus infinity. Same minus infinity to plus infinity for float, but in decimal points. The examples are minus 100.25, 2.5, 6.89. The complex number, the examples are, for example, C plus 4j. So this is the numeric types. The first one is int, second one is float, the third one is complex number. Complex number. Let's see some examples. A equal to 1. So it is integer. So data type is integer. B equal to 4.5. Data type is float. And let's say C has 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5j. Their data type is complex number or complex. So if I print the type of A and type of B and type of C, so here we can see the first A is integer, B is float, and C is complex number. Then next type is text type. Text type in Python is string. Short form is str. Examples are hello, or you are a wonderful programmer. It's by using the codes we have to declare them. Using the codes we will declare them, either single quote, single double quote, or double quote 2 times. Sometimes we can even declare 3 times as well. Let's see some examples. String equal to the grade day. If I print the string, result is grade day. The result, and if I print type of string, so it is the class string. So it's a string data type under text. The next one is sequence. Sequence types under Python. There are 3 sequence types under Python. Those are list, tuple, and range. These sequence types are ordered collections. These are ordered collections, and each one have a different property. List is mutable, which means editable. We can replace, remove, add values. But a tuple is immutable sequence, non-editable. Once we create it, we cannot change anything, or non-changeable. Okay, unchangeable. Or and range is a ordered sequence of number. Ordered sequence of numbers starts from anywhere. So range of 0 to 5 or range of 1 to 1000. So how to declare each of them? For list, declare by using square bracket. or the list of. Likewise, for tuple, declare by the pair of round bracket, and for range, use a keyword range of. Give the values which we want to create a range of numbers. For example, 5, 100. Okay, let's see some examples in the code. List 1 equal to the pair of square brackets to declare list, and list 1 equal to adding some values 4, 5, 6, apple. So the data type is list and ordered collection and mutable and heterogeneous data. Okay, so if we print list 4, 5, 6 apple, and if I print type of list, it's a class list. And for tuple 1, 2, 3, any kind of name we can give, just a variable equal to the pair of round bracket. And if I print type of tuple 1, 2, it's a class tuple, the type is class tuple, and tuple 1, 2 equal to, let's say the numbers are 1, 2, 3, and let's try to add string as well. We'll see what happens. Okay, still it's accepting the print of tuple 1, 2, so it's accepting the heterogeneous data. So the data type is tuple ordered collection, heterogeneous data, So for list, let's try to add one more value to prove a mutable property. List dot append of, let's say, bat. So it worked, it accepted the value. That means it's mutable, changeable, editable. And for tuple, let's say tuple don't have any property to append. Maybe I'm trying. Okay, it raises a syntax error. Attribute error, type object tuple has no attribute append. Okay, if you don't have append, let us try index method. Okay, it accepted. Okay, let's see, but it's not assigning anything, it's just accepting the index. Tuple of 12. So the tuple cannot be cannot have a mutable property, it is immutable, which means non-editable. And coming to range, range is a sequence, ordered sequence of numbers. How to declare them? Let's see the variable g equal to range of 5, and if I print type of g and print g, so the first one will give a range, the class type, and the second one will give 0, 5, because default by range default it actually take it as a 0, 5 if we not specifically mentioning the starting point. 0, 5. Let's say another variable f equal to range of 1, 100, and f. Great. So if you are not mentioning the starting point, it by default it take it as a 0, 5. If you are mentioning the starting point, it's fine for it. Great. And let's see the fourth important one, which is mapping type in Python. Mapping type in Python, which is dictionary or short form dict. It is declared by using pair of flower bracket, and it contains key value pair. So example is, let's say, use the flower bracket. Key is name. Let's say portion, age is 1 billion. So this is the mapping type in Python. It is called dictionary, short form dict. It is declared by using the pair of flower bracket. Generally, dictionary contains key value pair and key value pair. So if you see examples, dict1, let's say the variable dict1, and using the same thing, print of type dict1. Okay, it's showing some error. Let's see. name, ocean, age 1 billion. Okay, all good. Let's print. Okay, name, ocean, comma, age 1 billion. Very interesting. So if I remove and write it from first, let's say name and ocean. Okay, great. It worked. Print of dict1. Okay, name, ocean. So if I add multiple parameters, let's try age 1 billion. Okay, it's great. It's worked. I think some mistake while copy pasting. And the fifth data type in Python is set type. It is unordered collection unless it's different from the list, tuple, and trace. It's unordered collection and it has unique elements, which means it won't allow duplicate values. Won't allow duplicate values. So it is declared by using a pair of flower bracket like a dictionary. But here it will not have anything related to key value pair. That's a basic difference between how we declare dict and set. Declare set, or another way to declare is set equal to set of pair of round bracket. To declare set, no duplicate value allowed. No duplicate value allowed. It's unordered and unique and mutable. Under set types, we have one more type, that is frozen set. It is declared by frozen set of square bracket. So if you quickly see the code, set 1 as a variable equal to set of, let's add set equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6 and print it. Print set of 1, it's a 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. So if you look, I have given that I give here that duplicate values, but set will not accept. It will only print the unique values. Unique values, unique and unordered. Because of unordered or set don't have index value properties, we cannot access set value by using index because it's unordered. All the values are like let's say in the container, it all in different places. And if we quickly see the frozen set, how to declare them. Frozen set variable 1 equal to the frozen set of, okay, print of frozen set 1 type. Okay, it's a frozen set. And if I print type of the set, okay, it's a class set value. And the sixth main type is Boolean. Boolean type in Python. It is, okay, it's 11th, and it's also called bool and contains true and false. So the examples are, let's say bool 1 equal to true and bool 2 equal to false. The print of type of bool 1 and bool 2. Okay, these are the bool type. And the another one, seventh data type is none type. Okay, so it represent no value, that is none. For example, let's say the variable d and assigning the value none, and print d, print type of d. You see here it's a class none type and the value assigned to d variable is none. And eighth type in Python is binary type. So it has 3 bytes, immutable, unchangeable, and bytes array is mutable and changeable, and the final one is memory view. Hope we reach the end. Final one is memory view. It is used for efficiency. If we quickly see the summary of all the data types, the first one is numeric type, int, float, complex, and the second one is text type. It contains string, and third one is sequence type. It is list, tuple, and range. And mapping type, it is dict, also called dictionary, key value pairs. And set types, set and frozen. Boolean types, Boolean. Binary types, bytes, bytearray, memory view, and the last one is none type. So there are 14 data types under categorized into 8 groups. If you want, you can please take a screenshot of it. We can see in next video. Thank you.